Hello, today we're going to work a variation problem, and there are basically three kinds of variation problems. So, if we say that something varies directly, then the first thing that you need to write down is an equation like y equals kx. So that's if we say that y varies directly with x. If we say inversely, so we say y varies inversely with x, then what you write down is y equals x divided by k. And if y varies jointly, or jointly is the word you guys used. If it says jointly, so we say y varies jointly with x and r, then you write down y equals k times x times r. So these problems take two passes. The first pass, you want to find this k. And after you have it, you'll rewrite this equation using your k and find a way to answer their question. So here's what we have. We have a beam, the maximum weight that a rectangular beam can support varies jointly. So we're going to put that our weight equals k times, now we're going to have a couple of variables here. As its width, I can't use W for both. Let's use an M for maximum weight. Equals k times the width we'll call W and the square of its height. And inversely, which means it's going to go on the bottom with its length. So if it's inversely, notice K and L are on opposite sides of the divide. So they give us all the information to find K, which is the goal of my first pass. The key here is that the Y, the thing you want, if it's on top, the K is on the bottom. If the K was on top, we would need Y on the bottom. Anyway, back to this problem. They've given us everything except K. If a beam, 1/4, 14 foot wide, 1/2 foot. So is this saying that we need K? It's hard to read the question, but it looks like the width is 1/4 of a foot and the height is 1/2 of a foot, and we're squaring the height, and it is 1,414 feet long, and it can support, that's our maximum weight, 1,010 tons. Okay, so we have to find K. So we multiply both sides by 1,414. And we get 1,420 0.28140, and that equals k times 1/4 times 1/2 squared is 1/4. So if we multiply both sides by 16, we'll be able to isolate k, because 4 times 4 is 16, and this cancels, and we get that our k is this huge number. So k is 22850,240. And then we start over, and now we're going to work the second pass. So this one, we put the formula down exactly like before, with our m on the opposite side of L, and we put k in here, which is 22850,240, and we have w on top, h squared on top, and L goes on the bottom. Now, we're trying to answer their question, which is here. And so, it's m that we're trying to find, and we're just going to plug in the other numbers for the new beam. So the new beam weighs, or has a width of 2/3 of a foot. It has a height of 1/4 of a foot. And we're dividing by its length, which is 1818. So the maximum weight this beam can support, when you put all these numbers in your calculator, I get that this is 523.7, and the weight is in tons. And so I think that's your answer.